that touch to Amidu. Abdulhamid. Good pass. Looking for Dramina. Dramina into the box. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko gets the goal. That was some brilliant combination. And the melodramatic purveyors of the Ghana Premier League routinely are at it once again. They get the first. And there's a decision to be taken. A decision that the home fans seem frustrated about. That is a goal. A better one. Dangerous in the opening minute of the game. He deserves.
He's been trying to put some strings together for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and the chance avails itself. Look at the power, look at the distance. It was a bit complicated, but it crosses the line and came